Welcome to our deep dive into the subconscious barriers that may be hindering your financial success. Today, we'll explore common self-sabotaging behaviors and, more importantly, how to overcome them to unlock your path to wealth. This can manifest as procrastination in paying bills, avoiding budgeting, or consistently overspending. This bias can lead to impulsive spending, derailing our financial objectives. Fear of making financial decisions can also paralyze us, resulting in missed opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. So how can we overcome these barriers? The first step is self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your financial behaviors and identify patterns that may be holding you back. Challenge negative beliefs about money. Implement practical strategies like setting up automatic savings to ensure you're consistently working towards your financial goals. Financial therapists can help you navigate the emotional aspects of money management, providing tools to build a healthier relationship with your finances. Remember, by identifying and challenging your internal barriers, you can transform your financial reality. Embrace these steps and open the door to the wealth and success you deserve. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting.